Okay, halfway through cleaning this watch and polishing it, I thought, oh, maybe it would be good to share this cleaning process with everyone. Of course, I'm not a professional watch polisher or repairer, and this is just for entertainment purposes. And I got this nice watch here from my father, and my son has an interest in it, so I'm gonna give it to him. And before I give it to him, I want to clean it up and polish it so it'll look a little nice. Like I said, I'm halfway through cleaning it already. So what I've been doing is I was just dabbing the watch with a little polisher. This is Blue Magic Metal Polish Cream. Basically, it's used on chrome, aluminum, and mag wheels, and not really for cleaning watches. So you use the kind of polish material you want. Just be careful. Just like I said, this is just my way of doing it, and it's completely unprofessional. So what I was using a very soft cloth. I dab a little bit of the blue polishing compound on the paper towel, and then I just touch it, and then I just hand rub it, and it was good enough. I mean, if I were to use a drill, then it might take too much of the coating off. So you see this cloth here turning kind of bluish black. So it's from rubbing the back of the watch. So yeah, like I said, I cleaned it already. This side is pretty clean, and yeah, this side I cleaned. So this is what's left. It's not too bad actually. So I'm just gonna dab it a little bit, not too much, with the polishing compound, and then I just rub it. And the instruction on the polishing compound is you rub it, and then you would see the black coming out, or blue, or whatever. That means you're taking off the dirt and the scratches. And then how do you know when to stop? Well, you just rub it and then you look at it. It looks good, which it does. You see here, nice and shiny and no scratches. Yeah, then that's it. You're done. You don't have to overdo it. Same thing for here. This part I haven't done it, but I guess you really should take off the wristband, but I don't want to go through taking it off and putting it back. Plus, this is not really a professional job, like I said. Just clean it off. Just take care not to scratch it. It's 99% better. So what's the difference between this and a professional job? Well, hey, looks pretty good to me. The difference may be all 200. I don't know what they charge. So this is the watch. This is a Longines flagship heritage, flagship automatic. All right. Thanks for watching.